This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the environment and device. This matters. Once you have a quiet room, open the voice password enrollment screen and allow microphone access. Speak the required phrase exactly as prompted, 3 to 5 times, so the system captures variability. Make sure you hold the device steady, keep consistent volume, and avoid coughs or background noise. These introduce errors later. You are building a template. Small differences now will affect recognition accuracy, so follow prompts precisely and repeat if asked. Once enrollment begins, focus on creating a robust template by giving varied yet consistent samples. You should vary pitch a little on one pass, higher or lower, while keeping words identical. This helps the model generalize. Make sure to complete every required pass. If any recording shows distortion or noise, reject it and re-record right away. The system compares spectral features and timing. More clean variability equals better matching. If progress stalls, pause, breathe, and resume to avoid rushed, inconsistent takes. Now finalize the process by testing the voice password immediately. Perform several unlock attempts from typical positions: handheld, pocket, and table. If you get false rejects, retrain the model using 3 to 7 additional clean samples, recorded in the same conditions you usually use. Make sure to keep a secondary authentication option enabled, like a PIN or hardware token, because environmental changes can break recognition. If problems persist, check microphone drivers, reduce background noise sources, and repeat enrollment with the device in its normal usage position.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.